Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name's Linda and today's video is another DIY renovation type video. So a little while ago, my husband and I bought our second property in Texas that with the intention of renting it in the future. And this video basically is a process of us doing that. But unfortunately, this was kind of a hasty project where it was located where we weren't living. So we had to do a lot of traveling back and forth. So I didn't get as much footage as I like to, but I did film us renovating the bathroom. So I wanted to make a whole video out of that. Basically, the reason I don't have a lot of footage for the rest of the house is because the property is close to where my in-laws live. And they did a lot of the work on this house. We were super blessed with their help. They did a lot of the heavy lifting, and on the weekends where we weren't working, we were available to come down, we would go and do a lot of the painting, cosmetics, and just help them out. So I got what I could, and yeah, this is us renovating the bathroom of this little farmhouse. So I hope you enjoy, and yeah, let's get right into it. As you can see from some of the footage that I have here, the place was pretty dated. The mirror on the wall, the vanity, everything was old and has definitely seen better days. So the main objective was really to get rid of all that stuff and make it a clean slate so that the renters had a fresh slate to decorate in their own style and make it homey. One of the very first things that I wanted to do in this bathroom was paint the cabinets, because the paint on them, although it was basically the same color that I was going to be painting them, it was evident that they were aged and the white had become more of a yellowish white over time. So I went ahead and put a fresh couple of coats of white waterproof cabinet paint on there, and after it was done, I think it looked so much better. You're gonna get paint all over yourself. Doing that alone really brightened the place up. And then afterwards, we did paint the walls a beige color, but unfortunately I don't have any footage of that, so you can kind of just catch glimpses of the difference here and there. Once all the painting was done, we decided to pull up the tile because it was chipped in some areas, and as we were pulling it up, we realized that there was actually mold underneath it. So it was pretty evident that water had gotten trapped under there and mold built up. So we pulled up all the tile, scrubbed off whatever residue was underneath, and dried up the floor completely before installing brand new laminate flooring, which was so awesome because it was the final aspect of this restroom to make it look put together and welcoming. Once the floor was finished, the only pieces left were the toilet and the vanity. The toilet, unfortunately, I didn't get any footage of it, but we did go and buy a brand new toilet, and my husband and his father installed it. But the vanity, on the other hand, I wanted to talk about that for a second because it was another piece that was a total headache. So I found this vanity on Facebook Marketplace in Austin for about $45, which if you've ever shopped for vanities before, you'll know that this is an absolute steal, especially for the condition that this was in. It looked new, like it had never been used. So I'm not sure what happened in the past life with this piece, but I was so glad to get it in our possession. So like I mentioned before, we don't have a truck and we don't have an SUV. We have a sedan. So we went and picked up this vanity and put it in the backseat of my husband's car, which is where it stayed until we were able to make it back down to the property. And of course, with my luck, on the 2 to 3 weeks that we had this vanity in the back of my husband's car, my car decided to pop a tire. So I had to take his car to work with the vanity in the back because it wouldn't fit in the back of my car. And we didn't want to like take it out and put it in the house just to put it back in the car a couple days later. So yeah, I went to work with that thing in the back. And let me tell you, you're definitely gonna get a couple of strange looks if you have a vanity in the back of your sedan on a regular work day. Yeah, that was pretty fun to explain. So since that's basically all the footage that I have of this bathroom renovation, we're gonna go ahead and do the final reveal. I wish I could have provided more footage of this project for y'all in this video, but unfortunately, this is what I've got for now. So in future projects, I will make sure to film more to just make it more interesting. But thank you so much for sticking around and watching the whole thing. I hope you enjoyed this and I don't know, got inspiration or something from this. Anyways, this was such a fun project and I'm so excited for another. Maybe soon, hopefully soon. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.